a few weeks away now from Sunday the 9th of June, when we will be going to double services. So a reminder for you of our service times as of the 9th of June. There will be 9:30am and 11:45am. Now you still get your refreshments. They're going to be before the 9:30 service and after the 11:45. So make sure you come nice and early for the 9:30 service if you want to get yourself a coffee and a pastry.
And you tell me that the battle's won when I go ahead and lift you up and let you fight for me. Jesus,
Are you in year 6? Then we want to welcome you along to 180 Youth from the 7th of June. We're going to be having a special theme night, and it'd be a great opportunity for you to come along and see exactly what 180 Youth is all about before you actually go up to high school in September. So we're going to be having a mighty melons night. We're going to be carving melons, we're going to be bowling melons, we're going to be smashing melons, and all sorts of other things with melons too. It's going to be an awful lot of fun. So please make sure to come along on the 7th of June to 180 Youth if you're in year 6.
trying to steal my hope, my joy, my purpose. But when I sing about my Savior, it drowns out every word He's ever spoken.
We'd love to invite you to our mental health awareness event, which is happening on Saturday the 15th of June at 5pm. We've got a guest speaker, Pastor Julie Keir from Audacious Church in Manchester. She is a psychotherapist, and she's going to be bringing some teaching, some really good quality teaching on mental health and how you can have good mental health, and bringing it from a Christian perspective. So we'd love you to join us for that. It's open to everyone, so please come along 15th of June at 5pm.
Promise me it's not over yet. Jesus, you're my victory.
As the month of May has 5 Wednesdays, we've got something extra special for you on the 5th Wednesday. That's the 29th of May. We've got our next Leadership Development Night. Everybody is welcome to come along, and we've got a special guest, Lucas Dewhurst from Life Church in Warrington, coming to share the word with us. We hope you can join us 29th of May for the Leadership Development Night.
Seems lost, my victory, because of the cross, my victory, no matter what, my life is you.
Sunday the 30th of June is a date for your diary, and it's the day we're going to have Hope in the Park. It's always a really good laugh and it's great fun, and we invite you to come and join us at 12 noon here at Hickman Park, where we're going to have a picnic together. We're going to be meeting with other churches in Bilston and Brady and sharing the word of God with the town of Bilston. So we hope you can join us Sunday the 30th of June at 12 noon.
Jesus, you're my victory. My victory, when I cannot see, I still believe, my victory in every.
Our church weekend away, Strength Call Rise, is coming up very soon, which means a reminder to you that there will be no services here on Sunday the 2nd of June at Excel Church. That's everything for Excel News. Hope you have a fantastic week.